Okay, so let's talk about how to rename file or folder. First, I'm going to navigate in my desktop folder, cd desktop. Now I just want to navigate in my hello udemy folder, cd hello \space udemy. Now I just want to rename this hello folder to Ashane. To do it, first command is mv, now original name and new name. Alright, now press enter. Okay, now let's ls. Now I want to rename my this file called icon1.jpg. First of all, mv and file name jpg and new name icon.jpg. Now let's enter. You see. Now I want to use space in file name or folder name. To do it, mv. First I'm going to rename folder name. Original folder name is Ashane and new name is hello, and now I just want to add the space, backslash space world. Alright, now let's enter. Okay, you see. Now let's change icon also. mv original name is icon.jpg and new name is new backslash space icon.jpg. Let's enter. Now let's check.